Here I throw salute to the welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk about how you see am. Liverpool 0 and Chelsea 0. And we get Oga Obama will be like, Ogbonge Chelsea fan, Ogbonge person make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Obama, now how you see your team performance today?
Important development they come up. You know, say not be something on magic, na small. For the now, they come up. Although one or two things never correct, but once the players start to come from injury, everything will be okay. But not be as if say one big miracle will happen, but we go improve.
So I want to ask you also about one Chelsea new signing. One player will be like say don't cost many talk for inside the social media lifestyle, even for viewing center here with we hear when people talk about 100 million signing. What do you get to talk about Mikhailo Mudryk debut where you see today? We know say not waiting to go to Georgia, but as a Chelsea fan, the small way you see, what do you get to talk about the player?
Well, for a debut, he impressed me. One thing I say about him, that is self-confidence. That ability to dribble without fear. If you notice, some will say outside, this was the reason why I buy Pulisic. That wing guy get that confidence to beat one or two without fear. This boy get him. And they look forward to seeing Ange Felix for feed. Like for the same starting 11. But you know one thing, the price tag is always problem. But all the big team for England don't spend. Man City get their own 100 million. Chelsea gets. Liverpool gets. Even Man you get 88. All the big teams get their money. So men not type call Chelsea normally. Now who get they spend? Not be bad things I want to build big house. If you get, you go build too. How you get me? So but money not give you success now hard work rather. But money go help you like ladder go help you climb.
So Obama, you dey talk about money. You know, say for inside here for this match, we dey hear other rival fans they talk say Chelsea don't spend plenty money. What do you get to tell all these rival fans when they complain about the way Chelsea they spend right now?
It's now new owner we get and we are rebuilding. So rebuild that money abi. When Guardiola come Man City, when they want rebuild that money abi. Even when Real Madrid bring that their projects as at then when they buy the Ronaldo, now rebuild. For you to build, you must spend. Normally, we won't build that to spend money. So, now new owner we get. And these new owners, he won't work out the old players, make it build in own kind of players. And when they give them that long year contract. So, now rebuilding process today. Maybe for the next 5 years, we're not going to sign pound 1-2. But we'll go see sign, but I just little addition. For now, we dey build. And to build, you need to make changes. So, normally, man is there for sale. If it is easy, make Arab provide, make them spend their own money to not concern us. Everybody spend, and the result will be fine.
So, talking about the transfer window now, you know, say many players don't come for Chelsea for inside this transfer window. With the Chelsea, they're very active. Players, they come in steady for Chelsea. You think, say, the signing where Chelsea don't do, so far don't do, or you get one or two positions where you think, say, they still need to bring player come?
Midfielder, central midfielder. We get enough creative midfielder. You see, many people go say, Chelsea not get creative midfielder. Like, Carvalho is a creative midfielder. Joe Felix is a creative midfielder. Marciman. Even this Mudryk, by from wing, they create chance on the midfield. We need defensive midfielder. Why? Kanté is an injury player. Zakaria is an injury player. Kovacic is an injury player. The only defensive midfielder we're going to be injury player is Jorginho. We not really rely on Jorginho and Loftus-Cheek. So right now we get creative midfielder. We need defensive midfielder. Because we not rely on Kanté again because of the injury problem. We not rely on Kovacic. Almost the same thing. We not rely on Zakaria. He get injury record right from Juventus. So now we dey go for this unwanted backup player, Frankesi. At the second time, we dey go for Basuma, unwanted player for Tottenham. This one are black energy players, exactly what you like. What I tell you the other day. Chelsea get this history about black midfielders. Black defensive midfielders is very successful for Chelsea. Even this Espapiano, this Colombian midfielder, Chelsea go for. But they turned down the Monisha. Brighton, I don't really want that boy. If Brighton turned down 55, I look at the Chelsea that normal good money spender. More just go for Bissouma and this Frankesi. More focus on one of the two. Now great addition. With one of them, I feel so okay, we are good to go.
All right, now, Oga Obama, thank you for your time. My country people, now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.